How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
What's your name?
My name is John.
Where are you from?
I am from United States.
What do you do?
I am a student.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 siblings.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy reading, hiking, and watching movies.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I enjoy playing basketball.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Max.
What kind of music do you like?
I like listening to rock music.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling to new places.
What's your favorite holiday destination?
I love visiting Paris.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak a little Spanish.
What's your favorite season?
I love spring because of the flowers.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking Italian dishes.
What's your favorite TV show?
I love watching Friends.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What's your dream job?
My dream job is to be a writer.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm planning to go hiking.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
I love chocolate ice cream.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm definitely a night owl.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I read every day.
What's your favorite thing to do on a rainy day?
I like to watch movies and drink hot chocolate.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee.
What's your favorite sport to watch?
I enjoy watching soccer.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I love dancing at parties.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I love sunny weather.
Do you have a favorite quote?
Yes, I have.
Are you an introvert or an extrovert?
I'm more of an introvert.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
Going to the beach with my family every summer.
What's your favorite time of day?
I love the evening when I can relax.
Do you like to work out?
Yes, I try to work out regularly.
What's your favorite drink?
I love lemonade.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love strawberries.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
I prefer summer.
Do you enjoy art?
Yes, I like visiting art galleries.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love cheesecake.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, but only when I'm alone.
What's your favorite kind of pizza?
I love pepperoni pizza.
Do you enjoy video games?
Yes, I play video games in my free time.
What's your favorite animal?
I love cats.